And the gin trap is very dangerous things. If you walk into the bush, you have to be like sharp to see where the poacher set is gin trap. The poacher, they just go and find any springs that they find, and then they'll carry on making the gin trap. As they enter into the bush, they hide this gin trap, and then they're going to find the place that they have a lot of movement of the animals. That is always busy with the animals up and down, up and down. And then they find the trees that have got some big root coming out from the ground. And then they dig that root to make like the hole, and then they cut the log like a half-a meter log, and then they took his gin trap, they put against that root that they make, and then they push that big log that they chopped, and then they press that spring down so that the mouth of the gin trap is gonna be open, and then they set it. As they done set it, they take the gin trap where they find the busy footpath of the animals going up and down there. They measure the size of the gin trap, and then they dig the sand. They take the sand out, and then they put the gin trap in, and then they cover it nicely with the leaves and the sand, so that animals is not gonna be worried as they going through there into those gin trap. He's not gonna notice there's something they've been set. As they done that, they put the mark of the gin trap into the side so that they know exactly where they set his gin trap. It's easy to seeing it, but which is those lazy poacher, they're just doing like this. They don't know the anti-poaching, they will be behind in it. Some other poacher, they even leave the sand outside, but the clever poacher, as they making the holes for the gin trap, they take the sand, they put it even into his t-shirt, and then they take the sand and throw it away, maybe like 20 meters away from where they're setting the gin trap. As the animals start moving up and down, it's where the animals is gonna get caught by his legs. And the gin trap is very dangerous things. If you walk into the bush, you have to be like sharp to see where the poacher set is gin trap. Especially if it's heavy rain, it's not easy to see where they set the gin trap. As you see, this footpath, it's for the animal footpath. As they're going to patrol, they are always walking into the side of the footpath, not walking inside into the footpath, because there might be sometimes the gin trap set into the footpath. So as they walking it, they always looking